Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your eBay search history. To clear eBay search history, open up the eBay app on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account as well and go ahead and tap on the My eBay button at the bottom. Inside the My eBay button, go ahead and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, go to General tab and look for the Clear History button. Now, in the pop-up, click on OK, and this will clear out your browsing history from your eBay app. And there you have successfully deleted your search history or your browsing history on eBay application. After clearing your search history, eBay will no longer show those previous searches in the drop-down suggestions. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more eBay tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Goodbye till then.